Hi everybody! Today I am bringing you a makeup tutorial bonus video, which I haven't done in quite a while, a makeup tutorial. You guys have been wanting me to do an updated everyday look, what I currently wear. So this is my everyday quick 5-minute look that I will wear on a daily basis, the updated version. And what's really special about this video is I am using a brand of products that is 100% safe, clean beauty, does not contain parabens, does not contain any of those chemicals that you hear about in other products, and it's called Beautycounter. You might have heard of it. It's one of those companies that takes health and wellness very, very seriously. It does not contain any of the 1,400 banned substances that Europe bans. The US only bans 30, Europe bans 1,400. And once I found that out, I was like, oh, what have I been putting on my skin? So I am now one of their girls. I'm one of their consultants, and I'm a huge, huge fan of these products. My parents love them as well. They have beauty, they have skincare, they have all this stuff. And it's really important to me now that I am getting older that with an autoimmune illness and with a thyroid illness, it's important to me not only what I put in my body, but what I put on it. So this is genuine, heartfelt. I highly recommend these products, guys. You know me, I will not recommend something that I don't believe in. Not sit here and go, I love this, and don't like it. So these are amazing. I want to take you through this. They are safe, they are clean, they are vegan, for those of you that are vegans. So let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so I'm going to start with the Nourishing Day Cream from Beautycounter because I always put moisturizer on every day before I do my makeup. It just helps the makeup go on better, lay flatter, sink in, and it's really good to moisturize your skin just in general. I still stick to my simple skincare routine, which if you haven't seen that, I'll link it in the card and below. So now I'm going to do the Nourishing Eye Cream as well. I've started wearing eye cream during the day. I used to only wear it at night, but I actually started during the day because it will help your eyeshadow. I don't know, it just helps the eyeshadow and the concealer go on better. Always go in to your eye. If you go out, you're going to pull your skin the wrong direction. And why is it the day you are going to film a makeup tutorial, you wake up with a pimple, and then you don't have a pimple the rest of the time? I don't know. So the foundation I am going to use is the Tint Skin Hydrating Foundation by Beautycounter. I am a mix, actually, of porcelain and linen. Porcelain's a little too light for me, and linen's too little dark. So I mixed them on the back of my hand. I have to do this a lot with foundations. So I'm going to mix these and just dab it on. And I've gotten to the point now where I do this so quickly. I start with fingers. I start blending with fingers, and I will finish up with the sponge. But I don't know, I just like working it into the skin. The way to make everything look like it's part of you instead of sitting on top of your skin is to really blend it. You know what I mean? So you pressing it, it's like putting like a moisturizer on. Some people this doesn't work. For me it does. I like it. Then I'm going to go back with the Beauty Blender and just press just to get it all in there. And when I'm not actually talking to you, this takes me, I don't know, 5-10 minutes tops. I've gotten to where I can do my makeup in literally 5 minutes and not even think about it. Now this is a very light foundation. It's very moisturizing and it's light. But you do need to conceal, but I don't like having a thick layer of foundation on a daily basis. Now I'm going to conceal with the Beautycounter Touch-Up Concealer Pen. This is one of these. A little bit here. We're going to start here and then finger just to kind of get it going. I really, really like this concealer, as does my mom. So it's good for a lot of different types of skin. So now we're going to conceal this little guy up here. Ugh, it's so frustrating. Like the day you're going to do a makeup tutorial, there it is. So I'm just going to spot conceal, a couple other things. That's the thing about pinpoint concealing. If you just do what you need, you don't need to wear a full face of foundation. All right, so now I'm going to take the Color Pinch Cream Blusher. This is in the color Hibiscus, like this. And I'm going to just dab it on. The thing about, don't be scared. For me, everyday makeup, I will use cream blush. I like the way it blends. I just kind of keep working it in with my finger. I don't know. I think it can give you a nice glow that powder blush can't. They do have powder blushes at Beautycounter. I have one in, it's called the Powder Blush Duo, and I have it in Bloom and Tulip. This is the color that works for me. It's really pretty pink, soft pink color. I'm going to use this today. I'm also going to just briefly put this on my eyelid, also because if you look at children, sometimes their eyelids are flushed pink or violet, just because they don't have any makeup on. But if you notice little children, they have a color flush to their eye area, and that's a great way to get some color in your eyes while still looking normal. So yeah, love this blush as well. I'm not going to use it today. So for the powder, I'm going to just set my makeup. Beautycounter has a mattifying powder. I did not get it. I want to get it. It's in my cart to get, but I'm just going to use one of my little translucent powders that I have. I think this is a Clinique, but I'm going to get the mattifying powder from Beautycounter as well. And I'm just going to use the Beauty Blender, tapping it in on my T-zone. I don't want to put powder over the blush because it's gonna lose its sheen. So just where I had the concealer, a little bit under the eye, not too much. And just again, once I'm not talking to you and doing this, it literally takes me 5 minutes. Tap, tap, blush, thing, done. Now for the eyes, sometimes I will not use eyeshadow. I can't bother with it. But I'm going to, solely for the purpose of showing you these. Beautycounter has eyeshadow duos. I have 2 of them. This is in Shell and Malt. So it's kind of a taupey pink one. And then this one is in Slipper and Slate. So these are 2 of them. Great formulas. I really like them. Today we're going to use this one. So again, real quick, I'm going to just tap the light pink one. Light pink, which I'm assuming is the Shell, yeah, and do it up under the brow. Remember, we already have a bit of color on the lid from the blush, cream blush. And then I'm going to take the malt color and put it on the lid, just to kind of give us a little bit of depth. Really quick. Something about these formulas too, maybe it's because of the natural ingredients and the safe ingredients, that it doesn't feel like heavy. This makeup does not feel heavy. Excuse the groan from Dixie. That was a big groan. She's not happy that I'm being loud. So it's something about this makeup. It makes it feel lighter, which I really like. Okay, so moving on. For eyeliner, I'm going to use the Beautycounter Color Outline Eye Pencil. This is the one in brown. And it's just a nice neutral brown. So we're going to just tap it along. And then I'm going to use, again, messy line, and I'm going to use a blender brush to blend this out. And all I'm doing really is adding definition to my eyes. I wear very light eyeliner unless I'm filming a video, because obviously on film you need a little bit more. But on a regular basis, sometimes I'll wear this, sometimes I won't wear any. And I'm going to do just the outer bit of the eye. And this eyeliner actually blends out really well, despite the fact it's a hard pencil, because sometimes the gel ones are the only ones that blend out, but it actually blends out very nicely. Okay, so that's it for the eyeliner. Simple, easy. Now I'm going to curl my lashes. Again, the eyeliner was just enough to define the eye. Because I like, on a regular basis, if I'm just going to do makeup, I want to look like polished, but I don't want to look like I tried too hard. You know what I mean? I don't want to have a full face every day. If you just wear a little bit of makeup, define the eye, conceal, you'll look polished and presentable. Hi, Jennifer. Jennifer, the Daily Connoisseur. Presentable, but not like a crazy person. So, the big wing, and you don't need that. Don't have time for that. So, the mascara I am using is Beautycounter's Volumizing Mascara. They also have a lengthening one, I believe, but I don't have a length problem, I have a volume problem. So I like this one for me. I have very long lashes, but they can tend to look kind of stringy and thin. It's interesting, now that I am nearing 30, can you believe that? I'll be 30 in August. I don't like to wear lots of colors and stuff anymore. I just feel like I've graduated past that. That I did when I was 20, you know, in my early 20s and teens. I tried to wear as much as I could and colors and this and that. Now I do that when I'm filming if I want to do something fun. But even for an event or for like judging for YAGP, I still keep it pretty natural. I just feel like it makes me look a little more sophisticated nowadays. But I still love makeup as much as I always did. Let's be honest. All right, so for the last step for the lips, I'm going to add probably my favorite product out of everything. This is the Sheer Lipstick by Beautycounter. I have it in 2 shades. This one is Petal. Yeah, this one's Petal. But I'm going to use, it's a little bit lighter. I'm going to use Rose today for a little bit more of a color. But they are very sheer. And for whatever reason, I don't need a lip liner with these. So going to tap that on. I've started to not wear lip liner occasionally, which is kind of a big deal for me, but I find it to be a little less harsh. That's it. Quick, easy, usually takes me 5 to 7 minutes when I'm not talking to you. So that is the look. It's very simple, quick. I will link all the products below if you are interested in these beauty products, because what you put on your skin is so important. It's the biggest organ in your body, really, and it will sink in, and those chemicals will get to you. And actually, since I've started using these products, I've noticed a difference. I pretty much am using probably 90% clean beauty now. My hair is better. I use their shampoo. So this is not a gimmick. This is the honest to goodness truth. So if you are interested in any of these products, I've linked them all below. You can shop through my page at beautycounter.com. Also, if you are interested in working with this brand, this is not just about me. This is about you guys. If you want to become a consultant, if you want to get involved, I've also linked that below for you guys, and you can work through me, and we can do this all together, and we can all do safer beauty and clean skincare and everything together. So this is not just, you know, oh, I like these products. If you want to get involved, if you're interested in learning more about it, I've linked it below. You can also become a part of this amazing brand. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. If you want more makeup looks, maybe I'll start doing more stage looks in the future. Let me know in the box below. If you missed my video where I show you my silver play button and give you some other news and updates, it's right down there. You can click it to watch. Love you guys so much, and I will see you next time.